Peace and blessings, everyone. Today I come to you with a box that I have from Influencer, and I know what it is, but I haven't opened it up yet. So it's also a first impressions. So first of all, I opened up the first box, which is another box inside of it. But what came in it was this card. Let's see it. Okay, it's a little bit too much light, but anyway, it's OXO. Make perfect coffee at the push of a button. Okay, now it shows me on the back. I don't know which one I got, but it's a 9-cup coffee maker. So I already opened up one box. I messed up my wrist. Okay. So here is the real deal. Yes, my dog is in the back doing the most. Sorry, this box, I didn't know this box was going to be this hard. I would have opened it. Okay, we're getting to it. Again, this is a product I'm reviewing for Influencer, and it comes from OXO. On. Finally. Okay, and here it is. This big old box came to my house. This is what I have inside. These reviews, stuff that they send me to review is always awesome. And I get to review them and keep them for free. Anyway, that's it. Brews 9 cups of coffee. Oh, God. It does a lot. If you want to find out more about how this campaign goes or how I'm feeling about it, just check out my social media. That's going to be below in the box. Okay, I got to put this down now. It's too heavy. Alright, so again, that's the Influencer campaign for the OXO on coffee coffee maker. Makes 9 cups, and I'll be reviewing it real soon. Probably like tomorrow morning. Peace and blessings.